Now, without knowing it, we've kind of coded ourselves into a corner because if I try and add more items, like shave or swim or anything like that, you can see I keep getting my to-do models and they're added, but they're not showing up in my list. And that's because a pipe expects a new reference to come into its transform method, or else it's not going to run at all. It's not going to check to see if any of the values inside of the array changed, or if any items are added or removed to the array through something like push. So this is where immutability comes in, because instead of doing todos.push, which is essentially saying use this same array and add a new to-do model onto it, we're going to create a new method on our service called add to do, then jump into our to do service, say add to do, which takes in a to do, which is a to do model. And this time, instead of saying todos.push, we're going to say that to dos is a new array because we need our to dos to point to something completely different. And we'll use the spread operator, so this dot to dos, to essentially say copy over the old to-dos and put them in this new array, and then add the new to-do to the end of that array. So when I save now, I can add another to-do model like shave, swim, saunter, sally forth. And each time I add a new to-do model, because this reference is changing, it's not pointing to the same array, the search pipe filter knows to kick in and run the value.filter whenever that reference changes. Now, if you think this is more work or it's incredibly difficult or it's different, the main reason is because it gives you a huge performance boost by saving Angular from checking every single time an individual property or value changes on something that gets passed into a pipe.